Hojik amuk yengasi preparing computer for internet access. Haibadi internet access tawba yana bai da motor computer se kamane prepare tawsi ge have se. Stage da ihan hana khanga do se koina ISP, that is internet service providers haidana malaigani. Sigi se yaudri ka di koina computer se internet koina samba yar oiduni internet ki maigi any facilities koina log yar oiduni. Yengasi internet service provider se kaino hai taraga de koina kaino khanga do se matam da koina sigi like kaine koina yum da leraga su any large industry amoraga su government sector oraga su mokoi the service internet access to we yana bai damakta service khar provide to na bai damakta some organizations some companies khar laidi adu bokoina internet service provider hara khangna rakani ma se gateway amani karamba gateway no hamatam da internet access to we yana bai damakta Uji yengasi sigi connection stage da makhal ain thokna laigani kai connection no hai matam da instant connection haibam ne full time connection haibam ne instant connection se kai no hai taraga de like suppose se aina hojik kai gumba aigi some aigi like system to the some internet service pa me en laura se doi taraga de aina just dial up tawra kanda ai hojik internet pa me ai internet samjage hina high ga dori bani and at some point ai gi aina pa mi ba aina internet access to wode gi time limit khar lai ram gani adu gi time limit to the stage that sibok tang ai sam ga doi ni ai sidai stai connection loisal lage hai matam da adum automatically loisan gi doi ni sibo khoina instant connection har khangna rakani full time connection hai matam da khoina kai ro khangdoi sai matam da 24/7 pra full time oina fazana dum service provider aibudo du bokoina full time connection hara khangna rakadoini aduga tasengni yengsi ISP haiba hedi internet service provider haiba se ihan hana kadai da kamai tongna hogdoki ge hai taragadi Australia ga United States kada 1989 da ma se hogdoki bane sigi ISP provider se kai gino hai taragadi mana provide toriba services through the internet kai service provide to ge hai taragadi net access to ya hale net ki transit to ba habdi net ta nangi po thadok thazin kai ga lo ya halakani and then like suppose say aina aigi domain name some registration or aigi web hosting website kumba some host tongninge some thadok thazin tongninge at that point hariba ISPs na loin ma ya halakadori bane next yengasi ISP makhal mayam laigani makhal singje kai no hai matam da access ISP mailbox ISPs hosting ISPs transit ISPs adigi virtual ISPs free ISPs and wireless ISPs hoje yengasi access ISPs se kai no hai taragadi kedoge ha matam da through the network laiba khoi gi user mayam se harase ko user mayam se connect torakadoi hariba network to the user mayam se connect torakanda khoina akoigi any data khangde any information khangde khoina access to ya halakadori bani at that point khoina sibu access ISPs hara khangna rakani like suppose e mana kai no mana service kai provide to ge hai ta like hosting id email service gumba like web hosting gumba se khoina sigi access ISP sigi makhada chalakadoi ne next among yengasi mailbox ISP se kaino haina khoina khange hai taragani like suppose se khoina kahini any organization amana kahini magi service some service provider rakani kai service na matam da like mail domain piba adugumbagi mail domain pirakan magi some storage mailbox to the some storage edi mail haibegi wane mail do particular nangi storage location ama leitabadi yaroi nangi mail do hamna bai damakta at that point hari basigi mailbox ISPs na adugi poto provide torakadoi like mail receive toba mail sending mail receiving mail and storing your email edi magi user gi information and all at that point sigi mailbox ISPs sinarakani next amu yengasi hosting ISPs des da kai no khoina khanga doi sai matam da sigi services sigi makhada kari yarakadage hai taragadi like email khoina web hosting toba dagi online khoina khoigi some storage area khara thamba at that point hariba sigi hosting ISP jisnar kani magi some virtual server khara sung le rakani mana provider kore some virtual server koine cloud service kan hujikan yam khangna ri koine cloud service some area am da koine khoi on system na ta bida atopa area am da koina khoi information kai data khara ke haini thagala kan thambiba matang se asibo koina cloud services ka lai se sigi matang se koina sigi hosting ISP jisnar kani ba next day yang ase transit ISP stay se ka doge hai matam da ma se kari no hai taraga ni mana kari karma methodology used to ge hai taraga di like suppose se koina the data transfer to buda through different network hai tare computer amagi marakta data transfer to we matang da sigi hariba transit ISP se sinar ka doine ke doge ha matam na mong di large amount of bandwidth se ke haini magi large amount of bandwidth na ke doge ha matam magi connection the host ISP do access ISP sigi marak ki magi connection do sigi transit ISPs no oira kana magi large amount of bandwidth ti adum sizinara ni like downloading speed adagi browsing speed and all loina mak yang khala ka doine hai base kogi transit ISP sigi makada chala ka doine next amu yang ase virtual ISPs stage ta ka doge ha matam da sigi se koina kari no hai taraga di mon da lairi base kaino ha matam da atopa ISPs mayam dagi magi some services khara lowbagi matang duna koina sigi virtual ISPs sigi makhada chala ka doine virtual ISPs stage ka doge ha kai kari sigi virtual ISPs koina mu wholesale ISP haraga samu khangna rakani free ISPs hai taragadi some service provider khara lairi hariba service providers is na kadoge hamatam da free of charge the no cost adum freely adum services adum provide to hai tare through the internet adugi matang duna koina free ISP stage ta chala kadori bane some non-profit organization khara amna some connection any advertisement khangde some connection pirak pagi matang do adu matang do ne khoi sigi free ISP sigi matang da makha da chala ka doise next time yang ase wireless ISPs har matam da kaino khone khangdo se compulsory wireless hai na koina wireless connection gi makhada wireless network ki makhada koina sigi wireless ISP se dum compulsory chalani edi from one server to atopa numerous atopa station mayam amadagi mayam amaga pau phodo phojin toner ko matang da sigi we need a wireless service everywhere akoina through some connection through some cable connection or through some wire connection loina maksinar kanda pau phodo phojin di yaba na tabanina we need this wireless ISPs yenga si example da KK ISPs ki example da KK lege hai taraga de koina side de khangdo se broadband haibam laire dial up haibam laire Wi-Fi haibam laire and then Li-Fi haibam laire yenga se broadband connection se kaino hai taraga ni pra high speed connection ne ma se maunda high speed connection ni and then atopa maunda several signal mayama at one time loina maksina bayar kani maunda koina sinaga is like suppose say fiber optics cables sinara kani twisted pair coaxial cables and atopa technologies mayam sinara kani next time yenga se dial up stage se kaino koina khangdu se hamatam da computer ama lairani compulsory da and then we have to use a modem for the dial up we need a telephone line internet service provider na provider akadoini hariba khogi telephone number ki kamayam se at that point ka doge hamatam na koina phones de through the phone koina dial to godoini I need a service right now on a stay service PBU hadina some temporary connection hai tare not permanently according to the khogi need to gi matungina koina dial to rakanda connection se low godoini dial up connection dadi and then Wi-Fi connection da dika doge hamatam da di khwaidagi hojik kan da khwaidagi chanari ba khwaidagi mayamna okay haini popular oirak ba haitare kai connection no haitare ga koina sigi Wi-Fi connections ne harakani hariba Wi-Fi connections de ka doge hamatam da we don't need anywhere internet access doge hamatam da just service provider kana no koina internet the mode connection to through the radio wave la ka doini magi signal se radio wave tegi or through the satellite adum provide to ka doini Wi-Fi sigi matang da di next time mo yenga se Li-Fi ste kai no hai matam da khoina khang do se Li-Fi study LED seasonakani like have the light emitting diode seasonakani sigi technologies study seasonal mo quite the highest speed of services speed kadori bani by sigi Li-Fi na yenga se mo the list of ISPs khara laizari kai ISPs na khoina khara khangba the national ISPs and international ISPs khara laizari international ISPs te kai lege hamatam the MSN Premier the Sprynet America Online Prodigy Internet Netcom Mindspring se me am se loina international ISPs ngatne national internet service providers na kai lege hamatam da khoina dum mainly khoina khangna is like Airtel, BSNL, Vodafone, like Reliance Jio and all. Yenga si internet access technique. Internet access techniques is the kai legi ahan bada hoji yenga si dial-up connection. Dial-up connection is the kai no khoina khanga do samatam the computers na kai doge hamatam the modem and a telephone the dial tawna begi da makta telephone number ama compulsory changani dugi ka telephone number se kana provide to ge hamatam the internet service providers na user to the provider okada ba telephone number or okada bani chide yenga se sigi connection stays the kamaina to ge hai taraga de a personal computer amaga magi internet service provider dugi magi server amaga changa kani adi connection se jana be damakta dial-up connection dadi ka doge hai taraga de koina like suppose se magi process se kamaina hora kada ge hai matam da service provider duna pakhum piraka doini dial tora kana user duna dial to doini service provider na ai hojek internet samge internet service provide to biro haira ka dori bani adu matam da hariba internet service provider gi magi server duna response pira kanduda sigi connection se yara kadori bane and karam kanda loi higada ge hai taraga di aigi mana some time limit ama pigani aigi aino hojik dial toraiba se according to aigi some time limit like suppose 2 hours or 3 hours or just a half an hour adugi timing to dang oine pbu hena haidana adugi process ama chathagani aduga service se connect torakadori bane adu yenga si mathang da broadband connection study kaino ha matam da koina mayam na khangnari duni broadband harak matam da di pra high speed connection ni still like do se mon da di ke haini several signal mayama at one time mana dum loina mak handle to ngamakadori bani broadband connections na sigi broadband connections da yeng se fiber optics ma compulsory dum my connections ma dum yaurani twisted pair cables coaxial cables atopa technologies mayam lo yaurakani stage se ka doge ha matam da ke haini magi hundreds of user makhal mathil mayama through the network lairakpado large file magi loina mak access to for everything magi connection se loya halakadoini it is some complex soiba web page kumba harase download to honba ya hanba any media streaming everything nangi broadband study connection do high speed la abanina automatically easily adum loina mak yara kadori bani sigi broadband connections se download speed and then uploading speed and all loina mak faster la kadori bani broadband connection dadi next amugi yang se integrated services digital network service haidana haibadi ISDN service haidana hariba station ka doge hai matamda ma sida ka doge hai matamda magi voice and data se simultaneously loinama chatpa ya hala ka dori ibni sigi ISDN service study single telephone line ama sinarakanda loinama control to wa ya handoini voice thaba yara ani voice message or voice data thaba yara ani and then some particular text message and all everything loinamak sigi ISDN service na loinamak control torakana simultaneously loinamak chatpa ya halaka do sida sudum compulsory da koina telephone line amadi changani aduga magi data transfer rate se kayamu wange hamatamda 128 kilobits per second wina chakani stage ta kadoge ha matam na magi connection se through a PC the PC dune and then telephone line telephone duma lairani and then fax machine and all simultaneously loinamak connect or kana loinamak at one time loinamak sizinaba ya halakadori bani ISDN service da. Next amu yenga se digital subscriber line DSL hariba DSL se so ISDN ga adum chap mana na through telephone network adum chat kani tawbada bu mawanda di kedoge hai matamda some advanced digital service processing khara sijna rakani di maximum number of signals through the telephone lines adum chalai ba yana ba damakta sigi DSL sina kitang advanced oina sijna ba horakadori bani. Today says so dum chamana dum 24/7 full connection loina ma phangani pro full high speed service loina phangani just dum simultaneously ngasai gi ISDN the sinagi ba dumaina computer telephone line and then fax and all automatically loina mak at one time loina mak sinabiya rakadoine DSL the so. Next amu yengasi cable modem service. Cable modem service days the yengasi kamai toge habado hojikan gi television network hai tare moina ka doge ha matamda moigi lairiba moigi some percentage of the bandwidth se ka doge ha matamda internet access to buna begi damakta season halaka dori bani stage se ka doge ha matamda at one time hariba moina edi atopa channel amadana nangna internet service ki damakta sinaba like downloading some films or some music and all admina some data and all nang adum through that cable network adum sina download toba adum yahalak yani and then at another channel at one time nang adum atopa film khangde anything whatever moina provide to riba mayam nang adum yengba yara ka dori bani sigi cable modem service dadi. Next time we say wireless LAN connection. Wireless LAN connections take a dog hammer na LAN connection have a matam the my geographical area say yam pick na chat kani within an organization have a dumadi kangre. Today so wireless have see or a wireless have matam the dog hamatam da LAN connection compulsory ko wire changa kani but wireless LAN connection have ni wireless LAN connection state ke doge hai taraga di magi range se ko ne meter do ina olaga lakani and then magi connection se without using a wire chinara kadori bane yenga se wireless LAN connection gi magi process se kamai toge yenga se process se ka doge ha matam da ko ne internet te connect toge hai ba matam da wireless access point ama sinara kani hariba wireless access points na ka doge ha matam da magi wired LAN the LAN connection to the connect tora kadori bani atopa any atopa device mayam amaga connection lakpado da koina sigi wireless access point se connect tora kanda chat kadori bani sidai se ka doge ha matam da hariba computer system to the wireless NIC that is network interface card yawba oigada bani magi LAN connection atai lezaraga so but wireless oina samge ha matam da hariba sigi wireless NIC se yawda badi yaroi dori bani and wireless access point se ta seng na haraga di ma se like switch kumba hub kumba amo oina sudum magi sigi position rakadori bani mathang da mu jeng se wireless WAN connection. Wireless WAN connection study ke doge hamatam that my geographical area se kitang chawna chala ani WAN haibadi akoina wide area network haiba haidana ma khangna grabani na wireless oina chala ka dobni wide area network stage ka doge hamatam da my radio signal it is the atopa magi some satellites from cellular sites or some satellites tagi koina sigi through the radio signal we get data transmit over accept over and then transmit over loinamak sigi connections te ya halaka dori bani sigi connections te kaidoge ha matam da magi data transfer rate se 100 Mbps te chakani aduga magi geographical area so miles to ina measure toraka dori bani. Next year say satellite service. Satellite service says ke doge ha matam da two-way communication adum season rakane two-way communication se kana kano ha matam da the user and the internet ora kadori bani magi sigi services na ka doge ha matam da full time connection provide to hodoini adi like suppose say armed forces kumba some business kumba adugi matang da season na ba yana ba da magta sigi satellite service se ma changa kani and stage yenga se माइगी पार्ट अनि थोंना खाइदोकनी कई पार्ट ना है मतमदा ट्रांसीवर हाइबंगा मॉडेम लाइक डिवाइस हाइबंगा यावगदोरिबनी ट्रांसीवर्स ना कइनो हाइ तारगदि युमगी मपांदा आउटडोर दा खिनगदोइबा माइगी लाइक सम सैटेलाइट डिश कुंबो ओइरकदोइनी हारिबा डिश न कदोगे है मतमदा अदुसो डायरेक्टली माइगी लाइन ऑफ साइट लाइरकदोइनी करम लाइन ऑफ साइट हाइबा मतमदा जियो स्टेशनरी ऑर्बिट ता माइगी सैटेलाइट तुना माइगी सिग्नल दो फाब यानबैदमक्ता माइगी लाइन ऑफ साइट तुदा हारिबा खोगी डिश से आउटसाइड ते मींस आउटडोर दा खिनगदोरिबनी and next yang ase modem like device se ke doge ha matamda sina sigi connections na hariba dish to ga connect tor ka do ni but connection to do se hariba modem like device se internally indoor oina the to be connected with the computer thamgado rebene sigi the like LAN connection ki type da